Hi students, in this video we will discuss about the feedback amplifier. That is black diagram of amplifier with feedback. An amplifier with feedback is a system in which a portion of the output is returned to the input through a feedback network. The black diagram is given below. So working of the black diagram, signal source. It provides the input signal to the system. Comparator or mixer network. So compares the input signal Vi with the feedback voltage Vf. In negative feedback, the feedback signal is subtracted from the input. So next black is basic amplifier. It amplifies the resulting signal. A is the forward transfer gain, that is ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. Then sampling network samples a portion of the output voltage or current, and it provides the output voltage V0 and current I0 to the load RL. So next, feedback network. It senses a fraction of the output, produces a feedback signal Vf, or it may be a current. So beta is the reverse transfer factor, that is ratio of feedback voltage to output voltage. Feedback action, that is the feedback signal is fed back to the comparator. This affects the input and hence the output. There are two types of feedback, positive feedback and negative feedback. So positive feedback increases the gain, can lead to oscillations. Negative feedback stabilizes gain, reduces distortion and noises. It is used in amplifier. Okay. So here Vi is equal to input signal voltage, Vf feedback signal voltage, V is equal to output voltage of amplifier, V0 output voltage to the load, A forward transfer gain of the amplifier, beta reverse transfer factor, that means feedback factor, II input current, IF feedback current, I0 output current, IL load current. Okay. There are three main part in this black diagram: sampling network, feedback network, mixer network. There are two ways to sample the output according to the sampling parameter, either voltage or current. The output voltage is sampled by connecting the feedback network in shunt across the output, as shown in the figure A. So this type of connection is referred to as voltage or node sampling. Then the output current is sampled by connecting the feedback network in series with the output, as shown in figure B. So this type of connection is referred to as current or loop sampling. Okay. Feedback network. So it may consist of resistor, capacitor, inductors. There are some components in the feedback network. So it provides a reduced portion of the output as feedback signal to the input mixer network. The next, mixer network. Like sampling, there are two ways of mixing feedback signal with the input signal. So these are series input connection and shunt input connection. The figure A and B shows the sample and simple, very common series input and shunt input connections respectively. Thank you.